Hello and welcome to the Scribbler Nuggets YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about copy editing. What is copy editing and how does it work? Copy editing is a method of improving the usefulness of our written material. A copy refers to the image of a written work. Editing is the process by which the usefulness of the written work is improved. Copy editing involves much more than catching typographical errors and grammatical mistakes. There are two aspects involved in the copy editing process. One is what I call mechanical, and the other, which I will label technical. The mechanical aspect of copy editing. This involves checking the written material for adherence to generally accepted grammatical and syntax rules. It also entails looking for and eliminating typographical errors in the written work. It may likewise include ensuring that the material follows the style guide used by the organization with respect to the use of punctuation and the citing of references. The underlying purpose of performing this part of the process is to eliminate any distraction that may affect the reader's interest in the written work. The technical aspects of copy editing. This aspect of copy editing involves incorporating the corrections and enhancements that are aimed at improving the usefulness of the written work. It may involve clarifying the thoughts and ideas that are mentioned in the work. It is aimed at sharpening the message that the written work is trying to impart upon the reader. One objective of this step is to improve the readability of the written material. It may likewise entail the retelling of the work's ideas in a more understandable way. The copy editing methods. Depending on the current perceived status of the written work, the copy editor may perform any of the three ways by which the value of the written work may be improved. He can do minor corrections which may affect 25% of the written material. This may involve replacing words or rewriting a group of words or revising a whole sentence. The copy editor may also rewrite whole paragraphs and revise about 50% of the written work. Or he may decide to rewrite the whole of the written material, which would involve revising 100% of the written work. This may entail the rebuilding of the structure of the whole story. How copy editing is done will depend entirely on the current state of the written material, which will dictate the right method that the copywriter will use in improving the usefulness of the written work. I hope that this little discussion has given you a few insights on what copy editing is and how it is done. Thanks for coming over, and I hope to meet you again soon.